Hey everyone, in this video I will show you an VS Code extension which I built to solve a very annoying problem I kept running into when I was building any application. I was doing it manually in the VS Code. Whenever I was doing any research using any LLM, ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, I used to get the output in PDF files, or otherwise I need to copy paste into some notes and then make them converted into Markdown. Sometimes the Markdown formatting will be also broken because the PDFs are not LLM ready. To make it mitigate this, I have created one extension which is PDF to Markdown. You can search in VS Code extension. So now let us see some demo how it works. So go to extensions and then search for PDF to Markdown. You will be getting one extension named PDF to Markdown by Karthik Dasari. It's me. You can click on install, and once install and it is ready, you can go to your repository or a project and select any PDFs and click on right click. You can see the first option which is convert PDF to Markdown. You can, whenever you will be clicking the option, immediately there will be one file created and it will be converting the PDF into Markdown extension, and it is very easy for you to do as well. It can convert without breaking the formatting as well. It can convert the tables as well. You can see in the demo itself. So you can use this for LLMs and you can get the output very well. Make sure to try it now. I am attaching the link in the description as well if you can't find in the VS Code extension. Thank you for watching.